Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. We're going to be driving around Bletchley today. I'm expecting a few problems along the way because they're all little side roads and a little mini high street. If you're new to the channel, by the way, click on subscribe and let's get driving. So we're going to go left at the end of here, centre mirror left, signalling left, slow myself down because I can't see, stop at the junction, right, left, right, and then carrying on. And straight away we're going to do another left turn, centre mirror left. It's only in a little narrow road, so the road's currently closed from the 5th, that's fine. I'm going to slow down for first gear, it's narrow. Keep it nice and tight, look at the road, looks clear. A few potholes though, pop it back in second. And be careful because I can't see around that corner, so I'm coming in just in case. Quite a few little potholes here, but it's nice that they put white paint around it so everyone knows. Get past this car and get back to my side of the road. That's what I want to do. And then check in, no entry sign, so mirror signal left. Don't want to go down there by mistake. Bringing it round and then carrying on. So this is what you got to watch out for when you're driving around little town centres, little one-way streets. Centre mirror right, going to go right down here. Get back to my side road, let him go first. Pop it in first gear while I'm waiting. As I'm waiting to turn in, I can see it's a one-way street sign on the end of this road. There it is. And if you miss that one, straight ahead on the right and left, you've got a one-way street sign again. And the crossroads in front of me, where the cars are crossing over, now they should be giving way to me. So I'm just going to be a little bit careful just in case. Because you never know, some cars does fly through. And at the junction, we're going to go left ahead of us. Now remember, if people are waiting to cross, then you really want to let them cross. So I'm just going to slow myself down, let this guy cross. He wants to cross, yep. Let the woman cross on the right. And that's what I want to be doing. I'm in first gear, and then I'm going to pull forward slowly, up to the white line. People on the W lines there, checking both ways, and just pulling out slowly, not rushing. It's not a fast road. I can see on my left there's no entry, and there's a blue sign saying I've got to go to the right. So it's just warning me to go round. It's helping me. So I'm just going to bring it round, and I'm checking to the right. That person's thinking about pulling out there. And then at the crossroads, we're going to go right. Centre mirror right. It's another one-way street here. So I'm in the right side on the ground, it's helping with the arrows, and it becomes two-way at the end of it at the same time. So I'm just going to slow myself down for first gear, let this guy get out of the way, check what's happening, and then make a move. As we get around here, another right turn, centre mirror right. Pigeon just flew under the car then. Don't know where it's gone. I'm bringing it in, another one-way street. So this is what you're going to watch out for, especially if you're looking for somewhere to park. So if you try to find somewhere to park at the same time, it's a little bit trickier. I'm going to go left this time, centre mirror left. Just get past this guy, he's still approaching. Let this other guy cross the road. But that guy thinks I'm stalking him, keeps seeing him. And I'm just waiting a few seconds while he crosses, and then I'm pulling out. And then straight away I'm going to do a right turn, centre mirror right. I'm going to let them people cross on my right, let the red guy go. I'm just going to let this guy go in front of me at the same time, always letting me go. So I'm going to set my time. I'm not rushing. It becomes a one-way street, and I'm just taking my time. When you're going past loads of parked cars, do give yourself space from the parked cars, because you never know, people do open doors out looking, or even worse, someone's going to step out like a young kiddie that you don't see straight away. Give him space, looks like he's going to reverse in there while he's slowing down. Yeah, I thought he was. Just going to wait here a few seconds. Oh, he's changed his mind, he's going to go forward, which is fine. That's it. Give him a little little bit of space. This door's open actually. And we're going to follow it round to the left. So it's not a rush because it's quite a sharp turn. I'm looking ahead. Taking my time. So when it comes to these sort of roads, appropriate speed is the key. If you go too fast, it becomes dangerous. I'm going to go left at the end of the road, centre mirror left. I'm going to go a little bit wider to get a better position to turn left. I'm just going to check what's happening. I'm going to make a little move and get that steering on pretty quick to keep in my lane. And then get that steering off pretty quick at the same time, and then I can accelerate. And I'm just going to follow it down here to the high street. Quite a few parked cars on the left, lots of people wandering around ahead of me. Looking ahead, it looks clear. Oh, there's a car coming. I can just see reflections on the grey car on the bend then parked up on WL lines. I could just see reflections on it. So I knew something was coming. I was about to go at a point. And now I'm going to commit myself. Give a nice big steer to avoid the learner car. Yeah, so I've seen reflections on the side doors of that grey car in front of me to see what was coming round the corner. I'm just taking my time, going round the corner, because there's lots of parked cars, people doing things in their own little way. I'm not sure if that postal van's pulled over there. I think he has. So I'm just going to give him a little bit of space. Let this blue BMW get out of the way. So I'm just going to be patient, see how they're nearly hitting each other, the blue car and the grey car. The guy in the grey car is not looking what's happening to the blue car there. The postal van's going to shoot off now. Yeah, that's fine. See, we're noticing an accident then with the grey and the blue car. Now we can't turn right because no entry. Going to get past this red car who's parked on WL lines. Quite a few. If people are wondering why you get all these cars parked on WL lines in Bletchley, the answer is, where are the traffic wardens? They're nowhere to be seen. They're hopeless they are. Watch this person pull out. She's going to open the door as well. See? She's in a little world there. She pulls what's out without even looking and then open the door without looking. And that's what you've got to watch out for, little silly hazards like that, because if you don't, you're going to come unstuck. Now at the crossroads, we're going to turn right, left, which went right last time. We're going to go left this time, centre mirror left, up to the crossroads junction, slow myself down, checking right, left, pop it in first, and double check again. And then we're going to do a right turn on that left bend. That blue car's reversing out there because he's reversing that. So I'm just going to slow down a little bit, see what they're doing. Oh, they've pulled forward now, it's fine. And this is the thing is, if I didn't, I'd be going around the car like that one in front of me did. Centre mirror right, signalling, on a bit of a bend, get myself next to the line, follow it round, checking to my left at this point, and I'm okay to go. Get that steering on. And then carrying on. I'm just looking up the road, 20 zone, doing 20 miles an hour in second gear, following the road round. And then slowing myself back down. Looking up the road, quite a few little parked cars on both sides. I'm just going to get past these couple of cars. Let's get back to my side of the road. A little wave to that learner. And I'm looking to go past these cars now. Now, if they ask you to pull over on the left where it's convenient and safe, it's just picking a safe spot here, isn't it? So there's a little spot there, not much of a good one. By the tree, that'll probably be ideal, centre mirror left, because the tree is in between the driveways. That's probably about the best one. And then pulling them back off again, checking round, and then moving off. I won't pull over that tree there because there's already a parked car opposite. Even though he's half on the pavement, it's riskier. And to see where people are parking right on speed bumps, don't try and stick to your speed bump. If you have to use the middle, then that's what I would do. At the mini roundabout, we're going to do a right turn. To my left a little bit. Mirrors signal to the right. Slow myself down to check to the right. Pop it in first. Have a little look. I'm going to wait for the bus, and there's a white van. Bit of a dip on the bend, so I can't see everything. So I'm just being patient here. There we go. There's my gap. Get that steering on, and then off we go. At the roundabout, we're going to go left. Centre mirror left. Braking. Dropping down to second gear. Taking my time. No rush. Don't be pressurised to rush things. I'm going to get past this learner. I'm going to go left up the hill there. Centre mirror left. I'm looking up the hill at the same time. Looks like it's clear. Quite a few cars on the hill though. Around the car and then stopping on the hill here. Now if people are worried about hill starts, I'll put a link in the video for you, but pretty easy. All you got to think, like in a manual car, make sure you're in first gear, that's the first thing. Put a little bit more power than normal, so about 1,500–2,000 revs. Lift that left foot to feel that bite. There it is, even feel the car lift up at the same time. Have a look round, hold the left foot still, release the handbrake, keep the power on, and then carry on. Don't rush it. Okay, and I'll pull up on the left just before the yellow lines. So it's quick to drive round. If you've enjoyed that bit of a drive and a commentary about what I'm doing, fantastic. Give us a like and put a comment below. And any other videos that you fancy watching, let us know. Take care. Safe driving, everybody.